You see these images you are seeing right here? I transform these images to my own image, just the way you are seeing mine here. From this former one here you are seeing here as a sample to my own self that you are seeing right here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can prompt any image you see online. Maybe you see image online and you like those image or those photos and you want to make it yours. You want to get a prompt that will create something exactly like that for you. That is what I'll be showing you right now in this video. So let's get started. And to get started, what I want us to do is to head over to Pinterest. If you don't know Pinterest, Pinterest is one of a platform where you can see a lot of photos, a lot of images. You can see them. A lot of things are going on Pinterest, so you can go and check for Pinterest. So this is Pinterest where you see a lot of image designs. So here I want us to check one image, any image you like. Maybe let's choose one image that will make that type of design, how you can create that kind of image. Now let's scroll any one we feel like. Now this one you are seeing here, this is a lady image. I want us to recreate something like this. Now what to do is just to tap on this three dot here and we click on download. We download this to our phone. Let's check another image again. This one also, this one is for a female again. You can check for a guy if you need a guy. Like for example, for this one, you can just click on continue. You click on the three dots and click on download. Let's download like 3 to 4 images. 3 to 4 images. Let's also download this one here, this one also. Let's click on it. You can even search any image of your choice, any image you feel like searching. You can click on search bar here and you search for any type of image. But right now, let's just choose a random image which we want to create something about similar to that. Let's choose this one. Also, this one you're seeing, and we'll click on the three dots to download. Now we have choose, let's say 3 to 4 images already. Now let's also choose this one here, this one. Let's click on download also and we download it to our phone. Now all these images we download, let me show you all the images. I want us to create something exactly like that. Now when I come to my phone image, so you can see those images here. This is the image we just download right now. I want us to create something similar like this 1 2 3 4 5. You can decide to generate the prompt at once. Yes, you can decide to generate the prompt at once. Let me show you an example of what I mean. Now I will go and collage this image together. Let me put the image together so that I can take it to ChatGPT and generate the prompt. Now let me use this app here for collage guide. I usually use this app. Now I'll click on collage so I can bring the image together. Let me bring the image together. Now this is the images. Now as you can see, this is the full image, everything here. This is the images. Now as you can see, the 1 2 3 4 5. We have 5 images. I'll click on it, then I'll click on save. Now I'll be taking this image to GPT to generate image prompt for each image you see here. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT. As you can see, this is ChatGPT. If you don't know ChatGPT, I've made videos about ChatGPT. You can check this channel and you are going to see the videos. Now let's click on add. We'll click on photos, then we'll click on the image we just collage together right now. Now these are all the image. Now the next thing we are going to do is to set describe these images each on a image prompt. As you can see, describe these images each on an image prompt. Then we click on continue. Now ChatGPT is going to describe the image for us. It's going to write us the prompt. Now as you can see, it has written the prompt exactly the way it is. Now we can use this prompt, upload our image on Google Gemini and create our own image using this prompt. Now let me show you how it works. As you can see, we have five of it. Now as you can see, the first one says a selfie young man sitting confident against a deep red background wearing a black suit jacket with a white printed pattern. So you can just check it out. Now let's go to Google Gemini where we can create our image using Google Gemini Nano Banana AI. Now this is Google Gemini. As you can see, this is Google Gemini. I've also made video about this before. So if you So if you want me to show you that, I can do that, but let's just go on. Now, after you come to your Google Gemini app, the next thing you are going to do is to click on create image, and you click on this plus sign and you click on gallery and upload any of your image. Now let me upload one of my image that I want to use for example and show you guys how I will create all those type of image you guys just see moment ago. Now I've uploaded my image. This is my image I want to use. This is my image. Now let me take it back again so that I can go and copy prompt. Let me go and copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Now this ChatGPT, I will click on it. I'll click on select text. Now this is our first prompt. I'll copy it here. I'll copy. Then I'll click on copy. After I highlight, I'll copy. I'll go back to the Gemini. I'll tap on this. I don't want this again. This is the previous one I did. Now I'll select all. So I'll paste the link. The prompt I just copied right now from ChatGPT. As you can see, the prompt here, a selfie young man sitting. Then I'll check it here. I'll clean this and put a selfie me on the upload so that ChatGPT will understand this Google Gemini upload image will understand. Now as you can see, I change it. Now I'll click on continue. After clicking on continue, you are going to see how it's going to change this for me right now. It's going to create exactly like that image, just that sample image I just got from Pinterest. So immediately you see any image online and you like the image, now as you guys can see, it just creates something exactly like what I just get from that app. Now let's compare it together. As you guys can see, this is the original one here. This is the one I created. As you guys can see, it is almost similar to each other. It is almost similar. As you can see, it is almost similar to each other. If you want it to look exactly like this one, all you just have to do is just to come back and you adjust your prompt here. As you can see, you adjust your prompt here, black suit, white. You can change everything. You can adjust your prompt. Now when you tap on this one, you can click on download and you download it to your phone. Now let's go and copy the second prompt and see. Let's go back to ChatGPT. This is the second prompt also. Let's copy, then we'll go back to Google Gemini. We'll go back. Let's just tap on this one and we'll click on edit so that we'll just change here from sitting here. We'll upload ours, change, paste the prompt here, delete this, then we'll click on continue. Now let's give it some minutes again and check our second image here again and see what it's going to give to us. Now let's just give it some minutes. Now it has generated the image. Now this is the image. Now let's check the one we get from this place. As you can see, this is it, and this is our result here. As you can see, this is our result, and this is what we copy, and it generated something similar to that. So you can also use it. Now as you can see, we click on download. Now let's try the third one. Let's try third one again and see how the result is going to be. Let me copy from here and copy, go back, Gemini, then we tap on edit again, just like before. I don't want to be uploading image, uploading the image. That is why I just tap on this one and edit. Then you click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, let's just give it some minutes again. Now let's give it some minutes. Now this is it. This is what it gave to us. As you can see, this is our result. To click on download again. Now let's go back and check it out here. Let's check it out here. Now as you can see, this is the image and this is what we are getting here. It's just almost similar to each other. So you can get any prompt, any image, and tell ChatGPT. You can even command ChatGPT to give you exactly the way the image is, and it's going to do it. I just do this just for the sake of this video, for you to let you know that this is how you can generate something like this. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video.